Good morning, friends. This is about the pivot table. How to use pivot table? If you want to know here in domestic funds, if you want to know average market capitalization of all domestic funds or average market capitalization of foreign funds, foreign average capitalization of foreign fund type, or uh, like this, all average market capitalization of large funds or average market capitalization of medium funds, like this. For this one we have to use pivot table to do this. It will be there in insert. When you go to the insert, it will be there pivot table. If you click there, the range will also, it will only show. If it is not showing, it will show, but it's showing only this range. But you want this one entire range, so we have to keep this entire range in this one. Okay, after keeping this, it will ask for whether it is we have to do in new worksheet or existing worksheet. You can do it in existing worksheet, or if you do, you can do it in new worksheet also. Okay, this is new worksheet. In this, if you want to see fund type, we have to put this is in fund type. When you post it fund type, it will show domestic and foreign, that is grand total. If you want to see average market capitalization of this fund type, you have to post here. This is the sum of the average market capitalization of all domestic funds, and this is for foreign funds. Okay, like this. If you want to, if you don't if you want to if you click here, it will automatically remove. If you want to see in domestic funds, what is the large funds, how much is there, what is how much is for how much is there for medium funds, how much is there for small funds, you can post it in columns, that is size category. Okay, here it is domestic and foreign. Here this is small, this is medium, and this is large. Okay, you want to see average market capitalization of all these things. Okay, if you post it, this is domestic. In this domestic, this is small, domestic and small both. If you see both combined, that is the total market capitalization is $28,863.53 million. In foreign type, this in foreign fund type, small size category is 33,743, and like this is the grand sum of all these things, and this is sum of all these three, and this is sum of these two. This is all small. This sum is total small fund type, total sum of the average market capitalization of all small category funds. This is the for medium category small sum of average market capitalization, and this is for large type sum of average market capitalization, and this is for domestic sum of average market capitalization. This is the total market capitalization. If you want to go back, you can paste there. And now if you want to see value growth funds, you can keep style category here, that is growth and value will come here. If you want to see fund total assets, you have to keep it here. So this is the total sum of the total assets. This is the sum of fund total assets of value funds, like this. This will help to see some summing of this is the extension of this is nothing but extension of filtering and sorting. Thank you, friends.